Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have a Dashcam showdown for you, comparing the Galphi 3-channel Dashcam and the Phase Dashcam front and rear 2K+1080P with 64GB SD card and built-in Wi-Fi.
This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons.
Product A boasts a triple-channel system, capturing video from the front, rear, and cabin of your car.
With 1080p front video, 720p cabin, inside video, and 720p rear video, you'll have all-round protection. Plus, the IPS screen provides lifetime video feedback of all three sides of your car.
Product A shines bright with its f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, delivering impressive night vision performance.
It even comes with IR cabin lights to capture the driver and passengers, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. Product A comes with a built-in gravity shock sensor, automatically saving collision footage as protected files.
It also has a parking monitor that activates when a collision is detected, providing you with evidence even when your car is parked.
The Galphi 3-channel Dashcam is praised for its ease of setup, good video quality, and essential safety features.
On the other hand, the Phase Dashcam is highly recommended for its great video quality, user-friendly app, and reliability.
Remember, whichever Dashcam you choose, always prioritize your specific needs and budget. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.